Hey, my name's Zach, and when I hear the term wiping a Kindle, this isn't exactly what I have in mind. Although they do come up with the same process, it's both a cleanly wiped Kindle. But what you're really looking for is how to erase everything. So we're going to unlock it, go to the top time and pull down, go to More, go to Device, go to Reset to Factory Defaults. This will remove all your personal data and also make it so your Kindle is back to the start screen. But if you're selling, this is definitely something you need to keep in mind. You do not want to sell your Kindle unless you have wiped it, because it stores your credit card information if you've added it, emails, any sensitive material you've put in there. Just make sure you wipe it. So, that's all I have to say today. My name's Zach, and I hope you enjoyed this video.